Monocle 3.0 for macOS is a lightweight focus app that reduces on-screen distractions by blurring everything except the active window, making it a popular productivity tool for Mac users in 2025. The app works from the menu bar and creates a distraction-free workspace by dimming or blurring background apps, helping users concentrate on deep work tasks like writing, coding, or design. Monocle 3.0 adds customizable blur levels, a cursor shake toggle, better performance, visual style options, automation support, and easy installation, with users praising its smooth, native macOS feel. Community feedback shows strong enthusiasm, with many users saying it genuinely improves focus and calm, though some request better gesture controls and multi-monitor support. Earlier users noted limitations in previous versions, where blur effects were weaker, but these issues have been addressed through customization and ongoing updates. Monocle uses a simple pricing model with a 7-day free trial and a low one-time purchase fee, avoiding subscriptions, which many users appreciate. Overall, Monocle 3.0 stands out as an effective and elegant focus utility that minimizes visual noise and helps users stay engaged, with regular improvements driven by user feedback.